What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to link PlayStation account to Marvel Rivals PC. So, in this case you might be wondering, can you actually access your PlayStation account for Marvel Rivals here on PC? Well, this one is actually fairly easy. So, first thing that you want to do is you want to head over to Marvel Rivals official webpage or website. Now, if you're not aware yet, they actually have an official website for Marvel Rivals. Just go to Google here, just type in Marvel Rivals. You should see the first link here, which is myverivals.com. Go ahead and open it up. And in here, you should see a bunch of things like news, game info, hero, event, media, partners, and a lot more. But especially at the top right, we have the login button. Now, once you click on login here, it should give you a bunch of options. So you have Steam login, Epic Store login, Xbox Series login, and NetEase Games login, and PS5 login. Now, if you want to connect your PlayStation account here on your PC and access this via their website, just click on PS5 here and just basically proceed with the login page or the login. So just provide your sign-in details here, and once you've provided or log in into your Sony account or PS5 account here, that should connect your account into Marvel Rivals. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.